have to worry about what's for lunch ever again because I have you covered with this easy meal prep lunch that can be made ahead of time that is perfect for blood sugar control and weight loss. Now, we can't prepare a lunch without simple ingredients we found at our local grocery store, including our famous carb balance wraps. You have the rotisserie chicken. Now I have it in the package. You could buy it and cut it up yourself. I'm a little lazy. Our sliced cheese. You know I love Sargento. Mushrooms and pesto. And as always with the pesto, look at the label. Make sure there's no added sugar. Grab your strainer, put those mushrooms in there, and give it a little bit of a rinse. Now, kind of blot them off, bring them back to your cutting board, and go ahead and start chopping them up. Now, I'm not a chef. I'm a dietitian. I'm Dietitian Shelly. I'm the author of the Skinny Louisiana cookbook series. You want to order those on the AME or on the BNN, Barnes & Noble app. Get them delivered to you because you can get some yummy Cajun cooking that has been skinnied down. And you can see, I'm not chopping these mushrooms perfectly. I'm not a trained chef. But here's something I know about mushrooms. A cup of them, about 16 calories, 2.3 grams of carbs. I feel like mushrooms are completely forgotten in our vegetable world. It's all about green beans and broccoli. Today, we're throwing those mushrooms in there. Y'all know I love the carb balance wrap. Now, I've been a dietitian for a long time. I'm not even going to tell you the year because I don't want to age myself. You all know by now I love fiber. I keep the label 5 grams of fiber or higher. There are some competitors to the Mission Carb Balance Wrap that are just as wonderful. For example, I love Aldi's low-carb wraps. There's a lot of other brands, so I want you to share in the comment box below, what is your favorite low-carb wrap? Which one have you tried besides Mission and Aldi? Because caring is sharing, and this is a community, and I believe in sharing with each other. Y'all know I'm a big fan of Sargento cheese, but same thing. If you found another cheese that you like that maybe is a little bit lower calorie, go ahead and let us know. We're going to layer the cheese, chicken, and then pesto. Pesto is an interesting product. I love it. It's delicious. It's something I hadn't tried until I was an adult, and I was shocked. I said, oh my gosh, I like this. If you like basil, garlic, and olive oil, you're going to love this. This is great to put on your shirataki noodles, those low-carb noodles that I get at Walmart all the time. It's just amazing, you know, and so we're going to spray our pan with our nonstick cooking spray, and we're going to cook this about 1:30 to 2 minutes on each side. If you'd like it a little crispier, go ahead and cook it a little longer. Cooking time really doesn't make a difference if it'll last longer in our meal prep kind of lunchbox type thing. So don't be so glued to that and think, oh my gosh, I have to cook it for 2 minutes because that's what lasts in lunchbox. If you like it crispier, cook it longer. You know, you see that I'm gonna flip it to cook it again, another 1:30 on the other side. You see when I meal prep, it makes me happy. It gives me a little dance revolution. This product's beautiful. It's delicious. It's yummy. It's low carb. It works on any weight loss plan. It keeps our blood sugars in control. And if you want more recipes like this, be sure to subscribe and click that bell. No, click the like button and then click the bell. I forget, but do one of those things and that would make me happy. Thanks, gang. Bye-bye.